Annapolis saw a rebound from last report's lower numbers increase in contracts this week. It's Friday, June 6, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis continues to see prices trending upwards despite more inventory coming to the market. Homes going under contract are also happening fast, 7 median days, showing that Annapolis housing remains in high demand. Inventory in Annapolis rose 5% this report to 228 for sale. Another 28 properties are coming soon. 40 homes went under contract, a 48% rise over last week, and going under contract in just 20 days. 45 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio and in 7 days with a median sales price of $680,000. 23 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $700,000 sales price. 13 homes sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $1,450,000. One home in zip code 21405 sold for $2,040,000. 8 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median sales price of $542,393. There are 29 homes for lease at $2,950 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, June 6, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week.